Feeling a little art craft crazy? Hi, I'm Donna from Art Craft Crazy. I'm going to show you how I organise all my steel dies. It's 2 Minute Tuesday, so I'm going to take 2 minutes to show you how I do it. But firstly, I'm just going to flick through this and show you how they end up. And then I'm going to walk you through my storage room I've got a double garage. I inherited all my mum's craft and she had them stored in these drawers. There are some loose dies, there's some in packets and some already on the magnets. Now when I opened the drawer, I couldn't shut it properly. This system just wasn't working for me. So I've grabbed them and I've bought some drawers inside. This is only about 10 out of 30 drawers and maybe 4 buckets to 10 buckets full. So I've got to organise them. This is where my 2 minutes starts. So I got some fridge bins. They're clear bins and I got some poly bags. They are 150 by 230 millimetres. They fit perfectly half a sheet of A4 cardstock. So cut your cardstock in half. They're 200 gram. You can use heavier cardstock if you prefer, but this just suited me because I put the magnet sheet in as well. You can use any magnet sheet that you can afford. Mum already had it quite a bit, so I've also ordered in some more because she had so many dies. So you just slip your cardstock in the bag and your magnet. And I'm going to recycle all my filing cards, and I'm not going to show you how to cut them out. I just quickly fold this piece up, and you know how to put labels and files, dividers in between all of your categories. So you would put butterflies, hearts, circles, frames, etc. in between each different lot of dies. And it's that easy. You can also cut them in half and make shorter ones, because these fridge bins, they are not so tall up the sides, but they do hang on to the taller ones okay. Just make them a bit shorter, cut them off and label them at the top as you would the tall ones. Just cut your plastic bags off, or you can heat set them and make 2 bags out of one. Time's up, and now I'll just take my time and show you a little bit closer the bins. They are stackable, but I haven't used them for stackable. They've got a little handle at the front, so once you've got them on your shelving you can pull them out. I just have them in singles, not stacked of course, but you could stack them for other craft. And I've got 150 folders in this drawer and there's room for more. Then I've got to put them in categories. For the time being, I'm just getting myself organised. I'm Donna from Art Craft Crazy. Thanks for tuning in to 2 Minute Tuesday, and bye for now.